Hi, from Bugeye Guy. Today we have another video about the back deck fittings on these cars because it's constantly a source of confusion. I want to make another video about this issue. Now what happens is many of these cars are missing the fittings. I'll show you one of these in a minute. But this is the top fitting, two 10X fittings and a common sense or twist fastener. And it also serves to hold the long tonneau. The long tonneau goes back here and hooks on these two hooks with little bars for the same fittings that hold the top on the car. Two 10X, one twist. Now on some of the cars you see short tonneaus, like this one. And a short tonneau would fasten along the back edge of the cockpit. And so you end up with a row of lift dot fasteners. Remember, a lift dot is a little bit bigger diameter than a 10X, which is back here. That's a smaller diameter. So it's a little confusing. But you'd have the twist fastener for your short tonneau, one lift dot here, and then a row of lift dots along the back deck. So in that case, your top would fasten to the 10X and this hook in the back, and your short tonneau would fasten this way along this row. And I'll show you why this matters in particular. If you look at this blue Bugeye we just got, which is a California car that we're getting ready to offer for sale, we got it with no fittings at all in the back. So we sell a template, and here's the template on the car. This marks the twist fitting for the front. This marks the first 10X and the second 10X, and then the hooks are back here where these are marked. If you had a short tonneau, these are the marks for that on our template. There's one actually that's not marked on this particular template, but we'll fix that in a minute. So once again, long tonneau goes this way, short tonneau goes that way. If you're restoring one of these cars, you might consider welding shut your short tonneau fittings and using a long tonneau, because you're going to have these two fittings for a top anyway. The short tonneau fittings are a little bit busy, and in addition, you just have extra fittings that you don't necessarily need. So if you want to restore your car exactly the way it was, you can put these back in, but for convenience, keeps the deck much cleaner just using a long tonneau that runs this way. And we sell all of those tonneaus here at Bugeye Guy.